Well, this morning when I woke up, I got on my computer first thing, and I went to YouTube and I saw that I had a subscription update from Jay Greer, who said that he uploaded a new version of the Tree song using the piano. And I watched it, and it was pretty good, I will say, but I feel that it's getting away from the real instrumentation that the Tree song uses. So, I'm going to try it myself. And since my hair looks a little bit like Bob Dylan this morning, I decided that I'm going to do a Bob Dylan inspired theme of the Tree song. Here we go. One day I took a look to my backyard. There was a tree standing there. He said, "Make me your guitar." So I took my guitar and I started to play it for a very long time. Everyone else can sing this song, you just gotta rhyme. Yeah, well, trees give us oxygen, hide us from the sun. Trees make the grass grow green, and they're lots of fun. Trees give us oxygen, hide us from the sun. Trees make the grass grow green, and they're lots of fun. Well, trees bear all kinds of fruits, like apples, oranges, pears. They even serve as toilets for the bears. And trees are also the habitats of many of our wild friends, like squirrels, birds, possums. There's never end. Trees give us oxygen, hide us from the sun. Trees give us oxygen, and they're lots of fun. Trees give us oxygen, hide us from the sun. Trees make the grass go green, they're lots of fun. Let's go. Now the lumberjacks try to hurt our trees. The reasons they just aren't good. Chop them up, put them in a pile. Say, look at our pile of wood. If we all stick together and save these helpless plants, we'll be able to breathe and smile again and put on the tree hugging pants. Well, trees make us oxygen, they hide us from the sun. Trees make the grass grow green, and they're lots of fun. Trees make us the oxygen, they hide us from the sun. Trees make the grass grow green, and they're lots of fun. Yeah.